So here we're working on the Western Star. Had some corrosion in the steps, so we're putting on all new metal bottoms in them. Cleaning things up, put everything back together. Quick little shot of doing this as we move on to doing the exhaust. We've had a lot of people ask us about clothing, regular hoodie, got long sleeve tees, short sleeve tees, neon yellow with fleece lining in it. Same thing, but in black. Red shirts with blue, also in green, lime green. We can ship the clothing out to anybody that orders on our website. If you're interested, go to McDonaldChromeShop.com. So here we're putting together the 10-inch trucks, accessories, exhaust. With the 10-inch because the Western Star, the bunk curves in, it tucks up into the bunk so it doesn't look as big. Actually, it made it fit in that spot very nice. And we're just putting that together now to see how it looks. Let's start lining things up. Brad's running the level on it to make sure everything's level and smooth. And we'll get the top centered, we'll be good to go for going to the next side. You were putting the sealant in before we slide them together and help keep it from leaking later once the truck starts running. We had to custom make all the brackets for this. We didn't have access to 10-inch Western Star brackets, so we took the Peterbilt brackets, cut them, had to get everything fit just right, put them back together, and make those brackets work for this. This is our own truck, so we just did it the way we wanted to do it. If we want to fancy it up later, make it the clamps more, if we want to dip them, have them re-chromed or anything like that, we could. But right now we're just running them to make sure everything works, and we'll go from there. Right now we're just up there getting them. They're just lining it up, make sure from the front. That's what third person's for, to stand up at the front and see where the tip's at, make sure it's straight. Sealing the elbow to get ready to slide it on. See, we had to use the 4 clamps because where the splices were and the exhaust did not line up with where clamps were going to go. So we have 2 clamps top, 2 clamps bottom. Actually, it looks pretty good. Worked out good. Like I said, this is just our own truck. Right here we're looking at underneath where the pipes are sitting right now. The elbows were coming down. The Y pipe would have hit the drive shaft. Now we're having to drop down the elbows enough to clear the drive shaft, and then we gotta start the truck so the suspension raises, so that we make sure there's still the clearance for the drive shaft once the suspension airs up. Eddie just took that and did a little grinding on the edges, make it fit inside a little easier. So here you can see the suspension's airing up. So we made sure there's still the right gap there, and then we just tightened everything up. Here Eddie's getting ready to buff the paint on this truck. You can see how dingy and dull it is. The truck's been sitting outside a lot before we purchased it. So this just show a little bit of how much the paint can change just by buffing it out.
Okay, last thing we'll talk about today is the Western Star. My brother got this truck off of a local farmer. We haven't got it all cleaned up, but we put the stacks on it. These are truck's exhausts, 10-inch. We went that way because the inside of the bunk and the cab indents where they fit inside of it. We just thought it'd be kind of a cool look. Some people like it, some people don't, but we think it looks different. It doesn't look gaudy. These actually fit pretty, like, I'm trying to figure out the best way to put the camera. It's not much of a, it doesn't stick out much. It's pretty much almost flat with it, out just about an inch or so. We ended up cutting, we had to cut the tanks down about 14 inches on each side because they used to go clear up by the step. So we cut those down. We had to put this truck to work right away. We didn't get it done. It's not done to what we want. This spring we're gonna paint it because the people that owned it before, sometime they did something to get the decals off. I'm guessing with razor blades or whatever. They took a bunch of the paint. So we're gonna repaint the truck at some point, probably towards spring. We'll polish all the aluminum. We only did the rims. We did polish the rims, but we've been using this truck for a few weeks now. We had to fix the steps, which I believe in the videos we'll be showing where we had to weld on the steps, put new plates in them because they were kind of rusted out. We did put the truck's LEDs with the heated lenses in it. all the way around, because we're using this truck to fill in hauling pigs with one of our trailers. If you know, if somebody can't go, or somebody's truck breaks down, this is what we got. Also, we got to go down here. If you can tell, the alley arc bumper here is off. Down here on the frame, we got to remount it. I'm not really sure why it did this, but it's off on the one side, been like that since before we bought it. We're gonna resituate that and it'll be even. As far as the inside, we've got 2 Bostrom Pro Rides, one lowrider. We got the other one on the pedestal. We threw down some new carpet up front here, and there's so much room in this truck. I mean, you could lay sideways across here and not touch anything. Tons of room. I'll go more in depth at another time when we get this thing finished, but for right now it's working. We use it when we need it. Just like I said, I did a little different with the bigger stacks. We're gonna recustomize the visors. We're gonna put a new visor on it and put it to the windshield more. There's still a lot to do to it, but it's at least working on the road for us.
Trucks Accessories is proud to introduce the first ever combination work lamp and built-in strobe. This exclusive lineup is the first of its kind, combining powerful beams of brilliant white light onto your workspace while providing cautionary hazard lighting, and it makes these work lamps a must-have. The days of buying and installing a separate work lamp and a strobe light are over. Light up your workspace and provide a caution strobe all in one compact, multifunction LED work lamp, which saves you space and money. See or be seen in the flick of a switch. The combination work lamp and strobe series includes several styles and sizes and strobe colors to fit any application. Spot flood combo with X strobe, half moon, side shooter with amber strobe, side shooter with red strobe, rectangular with amber strobe, and rectangular with red strobe. Our unique multifunction LED work lamps are the perfect all-in-one solution for a wide range of industries. Trucks Accessories has committed themselves to quality and reliability. That's why every work lamp comes standard with a no-hassle 3-year warranty. Work smarter, not harder. Another original by Trucks Accessories. For our full range of combination LED strobe work lamps, check out our website at trucksaccessories.com. That's TRUX accessories.com.